analyze an Airbnb investment property. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze an Airbnb investment property step by step. First, open your Airbnb and search the location you're planning to invest in. Look at listings similar to your target property. Step 1. Check the nightly price. See how much similar listings charge per night. Step 2. Estimate occupancy rate. Check how many days are booked in their calendars. This helps you estimate monthly income. Step 3. Calculate your potential revenue. Sample: 2,000 per night times 20 nights equals 40,000 monthly. Step 4. List all your expenses. Include rent or mortgage, cleaning, and maintenance. Step 5. Compute your profit. Subtract expenses from your estimated income. Step 6. Analyze the location. Ask yourself, is this near tourist spots? Is demand consistent year-round? Step 7. Check regulations. Make sure short-term rentals are allowed in that area. Now here's the key idea. Don't guess. Use real data before investing. Example: if your estimated income is 40,000 and expenses are 25,000, your profit is 15,000. Tip: always calculate your worst case scenario before starting. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.